Hello, cutie.
What's up, vlog? I hope you guys are having a great
At the beach.
Tuesday. As you can tell, we're at the beach again.
Bite your nails.
You know, another sunrise. I don't know if you can tell,
Shut
but
up, Chris.
it's a little cloudy. But yeah,
I'm talking
so
to a cutie.
we're here with the boys. Nick is. He went to the water. He said he was gonna hop in, but I don't see that happening. Tony's fell asleep already. Not my problem. Hopefully, fingers crossed, that would be a good sunrise. But it's a little cloudy, so it may be a little tad sus. Alright, vlog, so we got a dilemma. So, me and Nick are going in the water, but I don't want to go all the way in because, you know, I don't want to have wet pantaloons after. But I might have to descend it.
You going naked?
Yeah, but like this is wide.
We're not going to film your dick, okay? Put that back in.
You got a fucking shit ton of.
Yo, they always follow me.
Alright, let's do it.
Look, they don't.
Alright, here you go. You have to
the
film.
Can you film?
Oh my god, somebody from
I don't want.
You want me to do it?
I'll film.
You actually got to hold it steady and all that.
Right here.
Yeah, let's do it. Come on.
You want to film it?
Hey, from the monster.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now come, someone, just film it. Come on, Tony, please.
Tony.
Oh my god.
Just
Zach, you have open hands.
Navigate.
I trust him.
Alright, I'll just film it myself as I walk in. Alright, let's go, Nick.
Alright.
I'm going knees. I'm going knees. Let's go. That's all I'm going. Alright, vlog, so here we go. Woo! Looking mighty chilly, I ain't gonna lie to you. Are you going? Oh, here comes Nick. Bro, yeah, I'm not doing that. Bro, that's tragic. I ain't gonna lie to you. Alright, vlog. As you can tell, the sunrise really did not sunrise. There's no real sunrise, but we all saw Nick hop in the water, so I think that was pretty worth it. Look at this hour. I don't know what I'm doing for the rest of the day. I'm not gonna lie. This may be a really short vlog. Can't really tell yet. As you can tell, we're back at the beach. So I didn't really do anything today. I just cleaned up my car. But yeah, we're back at the beach. It's me, Tony, and Javi. We were supposed to meet up with a big group, but we couldn't find them. So now we're just playing soccer over here. Fingers crossed they'll have a better sunset than a sunrise. Alright, what's up, vlog? We gotta say bye to Nick. Slash Nick. Javi! Did it again!
1, 2, 3.
Oh, what are we doing? Yo, don't fall in the hole, Tony.
God, that hurt.
Alright.
Hey, vlog. K-Wa. And no one gave a fuck.
Want to be in the vlog, Kayla?
I want to be in the vlog. Hey, vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Alright, so Nick's leaving. He's never gonna be in it again. Too bad.
Oh, you went too bad.
No.
You're gonna visit though.
Vinny, you wanna be in the vlog?
Hell yeah, dude. What's up, fam?
Yeah, so
Hey, vlog. I'm Kaywa.
that's K-Walk. Anybody else want to be in the vlog? 5, 4, 3. Alright. Oh. So as you can tell, we got a better sunset than sunrise today because sunrise was kind of buns today. I blame Javi for that one.
Oh my god, it's
Oh.
cold. Oh my god, I can't wait to
Oh, put him in the hole, put him in the hole. Alright, you know, that would have been a pretty epic gamer moment.
It was
Win
not too
vlog.
loud.
Cut it.
I ain't gonna lie. Alright, so I don't know if I'm gonna do anything longer, but as you can tell, if the video's longer,
God,
then
Nick.
obviously. Oh, Nick just fell.
You just tried to do a front flip.
I'll see you in the next clip vlog.